What's the meaning of common law? Common law. Common law.
Common law. Common law. Common law refers to a legal system that is developed through judicial decisions and precedents, rather than through laws created by legislative bodies. In a common law system, courts rely on previous rulings in cases that are similar to the current case being heard to make their decisions. This allows for a flexible and evolving legal system that can adapt to changing circumstances over time. The result is a body of law that reflects the collective wisdom and experience of countless legal professionals over centuries of legal practice.